everyone, my name is Moloko and I'm from South Africa.
Hi, my name is Renee and I'm from Germany.
Hi, this is Gerardo from Mexico.
I'm Earl from New Zealand.
Hi, I'm Adelina. I'm from Sydney, Australia.
Ciao, my name is Claude and I'm from Beirut.
I'm Noah, I'm from Germany.
I'm Emma from France.
Hi, Willem from Belgium.
Hi, I'm Mathilde from France.
This Welcome Week has been amazing. I've met so many people across the world.
The Welcome Week at Polymere has been phenomenal.
And I've been enjoying meeting people from all over the world, from different countries around Europe, and spending time with them.
I'm really looking forward for these 2 years at Polymere.
We are
Very excited to study at the Politecnico di Milano.
Try to learn from each other. Try to learn from Italian students, from international students. Be one single entity, understanding and appreciating all differences that you will come along during your path.
Yes, come to Polymere. It's a nice environment. There are so many Italians as well as international students.
Don't the Welcome Week.
Hope to see you soon in Milano.
Come to Polymere. Feel welcome.
You feel very welcome.
Welcome to Polymere!